Hello my friends and welcome to Spider Rider Extra. So what's in the box? WeatherTech. WeatherTech is a great company. They offer all kind of protection for your car, from cup holders to I think cell phone holders, but the main thing they make is like protection for the floors and trunk. All right, I just bought this from my G70 that's all cleaned up. Too bad it's supposed to rain later, but hey, at least it looks good right now. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box and see what we have. All right, let's get it out of the box. If we can, it's in there pretty tight. Let's see. All right, we'll set it on the side. All right, looks like we have set that down again. All right, sorry about that. Hard to work with one hand right now. I don't have my tripod for my phone. We have a trunk liner. This is WeatherTech brand. As you can see, it's right now it's really curved. So the best thing for this is to get it to form to the shape of the trunk. So I'm gonna put it out in the sun for about a half hour. Once it warms up, the plastic will lie flat. First impressions, very good quality as always. Nice, purpley thick. Give your WeatherTech badging. And if anybody needs to know, this is for the G70. It's model or number 401193. Made in the USA. Don't see that much. All right, this cost me about a little over $100, which I think is a pretty good deal. All right, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and empty the trunk and vacuum out the trunk and get it in place after, like I said, I let it lie in the sun for about a half hour. The vacuuming is done. Haven't looked underneath this thing yet. Let's take a look at the spare tire. Full-size spare. License plate bracket. Kind of shocked at the very bottom of the under the tire is not at least coated with some kind of plastic or rubber membrane for sound insulation, but the rest of the trunk is trunk underneath is top-notch. Looks like the rubber's all soft now. We're going to move it back into the garage and see how it fits. As you can see, installation is pretty simple. You just, like I said, once the rubber is pliable, it will just slide right in. Actually did that with one hand. Make sure the corners are all good while the plastic is still hot. All right, guys, there it is. As you can see, a perfect fit. WeatherTech, great brand. Laser cut. Laser measured. Looks great. All right, as usual, guys, thanks for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll do my best to keep all the videos coming. If you have any suggestions, comments, just let me know. A little bit of my interior, just had to show that, just got done detailing it. The G70, man, nice car.